I've created a full shopping list.
Wait, try it again. Try it again. Wait until we finish
Sorry.
Okay.
Winning! Okay, enough. Okay, goodbye.
Yeah.
Ooh. One more test.
Chef Cynthia Louise, and welcome to your 14-day plant-based challenge, where you're going to have the best time in the whole wide world eating plants.
You weren't recording that whole time? You should have been recording that whole time. That was gold. So we took Gordon Ramsay's recipe and we basically fucked it up. That's what we did.
Look at each other, guys.
He's like, who do I look at?
What is this called? Plant-based manage. 1, 2, 3, action. Let's start this. So the greatest recipe on the planet. Wait 1 minute. Now I'm going to eat all of this, but this is for the boys too, right?
Oh. Boys. Oh my god, I smashed everything. I cannot share with anyone. I'm really bad at this.
Just getting us all together into a little space and making food together, and the energy of each and one of us is different.
Exactly.
Ilu's energy is different, your energy is different, my energy is different, and so are your designs. Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, don't put that in there. Oh, are you still filming?
Yeah, they are.
I'm just kidding.